So let's start discussing about Linux first, about signals first. Well, sometimes kernel needs to send some asynchronous notification to foreground processes. Asynchronous notifications are sent to the foreground processes from the kernel. For example, suppose you have some foreground process executing like this, okay, in user space. The foreground process executing in user space, and this is a barrier. Below this, suppose you have kernel space. Under this you have kernel space, and this is say kernel space. Yeah. And this is user space memory, kernel space memory. Inside kernel space there are some things called terminal handlers. Many terminal handlers inside kernel, many in fact. These terminal handlers generate and send signals to the user space. The terminal handlers will generate and send signals up to the user space. Like
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Very good. So signals are generated by terminal handlers. And will be raised up to the user space process. Signals are like software interrupts, but not exactly software interrupts. Signals are like software interrupts that provide a mechanism for handling asynchronous events. So we say that signals are like software interrupts because they exhibit behavior which is similar to that of software interrupts. Okay, but exactly these are not exactly signal handlers, say software interrupts. They just exhibit behavior like that. Now